Hello friends, good morning, namaste. So today we are going to discuss about the differences between sigma bond and pi bond. What is sigma bond? What is pi bond? This sigma bond represented by the letter sigma, pi bond represented by the symbol of pi. Here this sigma bond and pi bond, let's try to make it very simple. In this sigma bond, the bonding between two atoms take place due to the linear overlapping of orbitals. Whereas if we talk about the pi bond, then in this pi bond, the bonding between two atoms take place due to the lateral overlapping or sidewise overlapping of orbitals. Sidewise or lateral overlapping of orbitals. In this linear overlapping of orbitals, what happens actually is, suppose we have two atoms. In those two atoms, we have two overlapping orbitals. Let's say this is one s orbital of an atom, and there is another orbital, let's say s orbital only. Here the two electrons form a pair where the two orbitals overlap with each other linearly, and these electrons which are involved in bond formation, they are nearer to the nucleus. Suppose this is the nucleus, and here is also nucleus of another atom. So in this case, in sigma bond, the electron cloud is nearer to the nucleus. Since the electron cloud is nearer to the nucleus, in sigma bond, the electrons are strongly held. Due to that, this sigma bond is stronger. The electron cloud is nearer to the nucleus. But in case of pi bond, what happens actually is, the pair of electrons which are involved in the bond formation, pi bond formation, they are far away from the nucleus. Suppose there is a p orbital of any atom and another p orbital of another atom, and here is the nucleus of same atom, here is the nucleus of another atom. Now these electrons are bonded together, they form a pair to make pi bond, and they are away from the nucleus. If this is nucleus and this is the nucleus of another atom, here we know that in bonding two atoms are involved. Now these electrons which are in pi bond, they are far away from the nucleus. So the force of attraction of nucleus to those bonded electrons is very less. It means the electron cloud is away from the nucleus. Electron cloud is away from the nucleus. Away from the nucleus. In this case, since the electron cloud is nearer to the nucleus, the bond is stronger. Since the force of attraction is stronger here due to the less distance of nucleus and electron pair, But in case of pi bond, since the electron cloud is far away from the nucleus, the attraction of nucleus to those electron is less in comparison to sigma bond. That is why pi bond is weaker. It is a weaker bond. So in case of any hydrocarbon or organic compound, if there are sigma bond as well as pi bond, then pi bond breaks easily, whereas the sigma bond requires more energy to break down. So this is about the sigma bond and pi bond. You can understand. Let's make it simple with a story. Suppose these two electrons are forming a pair for sigma bonding by taking the permission of their parents. That means it is like arranged marriage. Whereas in case of pi bonding, the two electrons are forming pairs without the permission of their parents. It means they are in love affair. If their parents will know, easily their bond or their relationship, their pairing may break down. So this pairing is weaker, means the pi bond is weaker, whereas sigma bond is stronger. It doesn't mean that it do not break, but it requires more energy, whereas pi bond requires less energy to break down. So in this way, you can remember the concept of sigma bond and pi bond. Thank you very much.